A large cuckoo, distinctive in all plumages, but usually secretive, keeping to the interior of dense trees in many habitats. The female is much more attractive, brownish on the crown and has rufous streaks on the head. The back, rump, and wing coverts are dark brown with white and buff spots. The southern boobook is the smallest and most common owl in Australia. It is identified by its plumage, which is dark chocolate brown above and rufous brown below, heavily streaked and spotted with white. A subspecies of the cosmopolitan barn owl, found all over the world, the most widespread of all species of birds. A medium-sized owl with a white heart-shaped facial disc. The body is sandy orange and light grey above, and white to cream underneath. The cackle of the laughing kookaburra is actually a territorial call to warn other birds to stay away. The biggest kingfisher that does not eat fish, but a variety of vertebrates and invertebrates. Immortalized in songs, stories, tales, and Aboriginal legends. It has a turquoise back, turquoise blue rump and tail, buff white underparts, and a broad cream collar. There is a broad black eye stripe extending from bill to nape of neck. The green catbird is the only bowerbird that doesn't build a bower. It gets its name from the cat-like wailing call that it gives at any time of day throughout the year. They inhabit lush rainforest. They are often difficult to see among the foliage in the treetops. This female jumps from a limb to bring food to her chicks, 20 meters up in the canopy. The male regent bowerbird in full breeding plumage is one of the more spectacular sights of the warm temperate rainforests of eastern Australia. The female is brown-black, mottled brown, with light brown scallops on its back and breast. The adult satin bowerbird male has striking glossy blue-black plumage, a pale bluish-white bill, and a violet-blue iris. Younger males and females are similar in color to each other and are collectively referred to as green birds. Male satin bowerbirds spend plenty of time on the ground, building, decorating, and tending to their bowers, which can make them vulnerable to predators. The largest of the family, endemic to eastern Australia. Hollows in standing dead or live trees and tree stumps are essential for nesting. The diet is 80% ants. The rest is a collection of invertebrates. Adult male superb fairy wrens are among the most brightly colored of the species. Superb fairy wrens feed on insects and other small arthropods. Here captured in mating, very, very fast. Tiny colorful bird with short stubby bill, bright red patch on rump, and entirely white eyebrow. Very common in woodlands and eucalypt forest within its range, which covers most of Australia. Makes small nest burrows in soil banks,